Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about EaseLift's hitch mount cargo carrier. When you're traveling with your family on a long road trip, you'll probably find yourself with a serious lack of storage space. EaseLift's hitch mount cargo carrier is the perfect solution for that. EaseLift's hitch mount cargo carrier is compatible with any 2-inch receiver and easily attaches and detaches with the included hitch pin. It's made of heavy-duty powder-coated stainless steel. The interior of the basket measures 51.5 inches by 17.5 inches by 3.25 inches. And has a 500-pound weight load capacity, making it perfect for carrying your extra bulky items. EaseLift's hitch mount cargo carrier. If you don't have one, you should get one today.